This is a review of the Real-Life Climber. I actually bought this used, not this one, but I bought one used, and I noticed very quickly the weldings at both the front and the rear started to come undone. So I returned it, bought a different one, and I really didn't like that model as well. I ended up coming back to this model because I think besides that issue, this is a really good system of how it works. I will give you a quick demonstration. It's pretty much a very soft model, and I think I'm going to keep it. I've made a couple of minor modifications just to prevent this from slamming into the post. Like I said, I think I'm going to keep this. So if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, and I will try to answer them.